My name is Erin. I work at the Victory Bridge Library. I thought I'd bring you today a tutorial that I got out of this book that's available right now on Overdrive called Eat Dirt. The audiobook is available and it's full of all sorts of home recipes for things like lotions and body washes and house cleaners and things like that. I chose a kind of body butter, real thick lotion recipe for today because I don't know about you, but my hands are real dry with all this hand washing. It's a really simple recipe. You can get everything you need for it from the grocery store. Some of it maybe a little bit more from like natural grocers or the co-op or Whole Foods. So let's get started. First, I've got, it's all in quarter cups, so it's real easy. I've got a quarter cup of beeswax here that I've already measured out. Quarter cup of olive oil. A quarter cup of coconut oil. It's probably good. It's about a quarter cup of coconut oil. And then finally, quarter cup of shea butter. This is actually very hard. It's going to take a while to take it out and measure it and put it in. So I will check in with you in a minute. Okay, I've got everything measured out and put in a bowl that is heat resistant or can transfer heat, and be basically in a double boiler situation. After just a few minutes in your double boiler on medium heat, you should have just a kind of a golden clear liquid with just the last little bits of beeswax and shea butter just kind of magically disappearing into it. You want to keep stirring and melt it until it's completely, it's kind of magical to watch those last little bits just disappear until it's a completely clear, smooth liquid with no bits in it. And then what we're going to do is put it into the refrigerator. Once it's like this, like that little bit is gone, you're going to put it into the refrigerator for exactly 1 hour. Set a timer, because I've found going longer than an hour really changes the texture. You get more kind of a grainy texture with your final product. So if you take it out of the fridge exactly 1 hour after you put it in, the results are much better. It's just about good. Okay, we're down to the final step. This bowl was in the fridge for an hour, and then I took it out, and with a hand mixer, I whipped it up until the contents were all fluffy. So you could do it with a stand mixer too, whatever kind of mixer you've got. If you're using a stand mixer, you might want to mix up the original in the bowl, mixer bowl. It's a little hard to get out of there. Once you get it out of the fridge, it's kind of solid. So it's all right to use. These I use with food all the time, and also I mix up the lotion. I just like to wipe them down with a paper towel before putting them through the dishwasher. But all of this stuff, it's olive oil, it's coconut oil. Those are both edible. Then the beeswax and the shea butter are, you wouldn't want to eat them, but it's not going to hurt you to get a little bit on your food utensils and then wash them, run them through the dishwasher, something like that, if you're worried about that. So just getting this all kind of stirred up, and the last and final step is, once you've got it to this fluffy stage, you want to add 2 tablespoons, let's see if that's legible, 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil, 2 tablespoons, let me double check my recipe here, 2 tablespoons vitamin E oil, popping that in there, and then the recipe calls for 40 drops of whatever fragrance you want, and you can mix and match 20 drops of one fragrance, 20 drops of another. Because it's springtime and I want flowers around me, I'm using ylang-ylang oil because it smells nice and floral to me. But you can use lavender if you like lavender. I'm trying to think of some of the common ones, but yeah, whatever your favorite essential oils are. Again, those are available at health food stores, natural grocers, the co-op, Whole Foods, places like that. And then you just stir it all in until it's an even consistency. I forgot the sense. Anyways, just count your drops. Count to 40 if you want a really good fragrance, because the shea butter and beeswax have fragrance of their own, so you kind of want a lot of this to counteract that. And just feel free to experiment with scents, and once it's all done, you can put them into little containers like this or like this, and have a little stash stored up for usually a few months for me of nice moisturizing. And that's it. That was the recipe from Eat Dirt is the book's title. It's available now on Overdrive, or if you use the mobile app Libby, you can get the audiobook, and the audiobook comes with supplemental materials like PDFs that you can then view or print on the computer. Anyways, we'll have some more fun tutorials like this up. Let me know if you like this. You can leave us a comment on our Facebook page. Or if there's something else you'd like to see, or if you do something like this and you've got a different way of doing it. I've noticed that this recipe has even been updated on the author's website. So there are changes in this kind of stuff all the time, and it's pretty much the only lotion recipe I know. So if you have any suggestions, share them with the rest of our library patrons to see. And see you guys next time. Bye.